Step into the heart of German superbike engineering at the BMW Motorrad factory in Berlin.
Hundreds of skilled BMW Motorrad factory workers arrive daily, bringing decades of expertise to build the ultimate.
From the streets of Berlin, the BMW Motorrad factory pulses with activity as production of the BMW S1000RR begins.
Witness German engineering precision as premium raw materials arrive to forge the ultimate superbike.
Aerospace-grade carbon fiber, incredibly strong yet feather-light, forms the downforce-generating foundation of the BMW S1000RR's.
Intricate aluminum bridge-type frame sections arrive, engineered for optimal rigidity and minimal weight in the BMW S1000RR chassis.
Thousands of meticulously sourced components from around the world converge in Berlin.
Premium Brembo brake calipers cataloged with precision for ultimate stopping power on the BMW S1000RR.
High-performance aluminum billets arrive, soon to become the counterbalanced crankshaft of the shift-cam engine.
Lightweight titanium valves undergo rigorous checks for flawless operation at 14,500 RPM in the BMW S1000RR.
Carbon fiber sheets prepared with surgical care for the downforce-generating winglets of the BMW S1000RR.
Advanced front forks with optional DDC arrive, contributing to razor-sharp handling of the BMW S1000RR.
Lightweight forged wheels scrutinized for perfect balance essential to the BMW S1000RR performance.
Complex wiring harness components prepared for the sophisticated rider aids of the BMW S1000RR.
Set it down gently right there.
Shift-cam engine crankcases emerge, designed for variable valve timing excellence.
Structural steel tubing organized precisely, supporting the flex frame design of the BMW S1000RR. High-grip tires arrive, optimized for the contact patch of the BMW S1000RR.
Verified. Every chassis component traced for complete authenticity in the BMW S1000RR build.
Optional titanium exhaust systems arrive, enhancing power and signature sound of the BMW S1000RR.
Nothing enters the assembly line without clearing BMW Motorrad's uncompromising quality standards.
With every premium material inspected and ready, the transformation into the ultimate BMW S1000RR begins now.
This flex frame design not only looks aggressive but uses the engine as a stressed member.
Every section placed with laser precision inside dedicated jigs, guaranteeing geometry that delivers razor-sharp handling on the BMW S1000RR.
Expert welders create seamless bonds stronger than base material, forming unbreakable backbone of the BMW S1000RR. Parallel construction ensures every BMW S1000RR frame receives identical world-class craftsmanship.
Non-destructive testing confirms racing-level weld integrity before further progress.
Cast aluminum nodes mated with exact torque, optimizing strength and weight in the BMW S1000RR chassis.
Post-treatment, frame achieves peak strength and precision geometry.
Thorough surface prep ensures perfect adhesion of durable powder coat finish.
Automated powder coating delivers uniform, tough coverage in controlled environment.
Signature matte or gloss finish cures perfectly, giving the BMW S1000RR frame its distinctive identity.
Laser scanning confirms zero deviation from design after coating process.
Lineup of perfect chassis signals transition to power integration.
Precision bearings installed with controlled force for effortless steering response.
Every mounting point strengthened for secure attachment of aerodynamic components.
With backbone perfected, the BMW S1000RR prepares for its revolutionary inline 4 heart.
Crossing the threshold into the core of BMW Motorrad manufacturing.
Daily targets are set and communicated, aligning the entire team toward perfect execution.
Specialized zones maintain pristine conditions for the advanced electronic systems that define the BMW S1000RR. With all materials secured, the factory fully commits to transforming components into the iconic BMW S1000RR.
Racing heritage fuels daily motivation, reminding everyone they build champions for the circuit.
Internal logistics flow seamlessly, delivering parts exactly when and where needed for uninterrupted production.
Shift transition completes smoothly, maintaining continuous momentum in BMW S1000RR creation. Advanced climate control protects sensitive components throughout the entire assembly process.
History and future converge here, where every BMW S1000RR carries the weight of racing glory.
With the factory fully alive, the critical marriage of chassis and engine marks the true beginning of each BMW S1000RR's journey.
Advanced suspension begins here. Fully adjustable upside-down front forks with optional DDC are built.
Brembo radial mount calipers pre-assembled with race-level precision, providing ultimate stopping power for the BMW S1000RR.
Forged aluminum wheels and race compound tires united, creating the critical contact patch that transfers over 200 optimized aluminum swing arm, constructed with exact tolerances for perfect rear wheel control on the BMW S1000RR.
High-performance brake rotors built in parallel, ensuring confident braking even under extreme track conditions.
Precision steering components prepared for lightning-quick front-end response on the BMW S1000RR.
Nervous system of the BMW S1000RR constructed, linking advanced sensors to the central electronics package.
Rear monoshock, individually tuned for perfect balance between track aggression and road compliance. Quick fill fuel system, built and validated for reliable delivery to the shift cam engine.
Rider interface components pre-assembled, placing total control in the pilot's hands.
Advanced cooling components built to manage extreme heat from high-rev operation.
Breathing system optimized for maximum volumetric efficiency at redline. Signature exhaust headers, tuned for unrestricted flow and iconic sound.
Cutting-edge TFT display, fully validated before rider interface. Every critical subsystem perfected, ready for integration with the aluminum bridge-type frame. Flawless internal logistics deliver components in perfect sequence. Nothing proceeds without final subassembly verification at BMW Motorrad standards. With subsystems masterfully prepared, the stage is set for the ShiftCam inline-4 engine integration.
The beating heart awakens. Assembly of the water/oil-cooled ShiftCam inline-4 engine begins for the BMW S1000RR.
This high-precision crankshaft, engineered for minimal vibration, forms the core that delivers over 200 horsepower in the BMW S1000RR.
Lightweight forged pistons mated with precision rods, designed for extreme revs up to 14,500 RPM in the BMW S1000RR.
Cases unite with exact torque values, sealing in the foundation of relentless power delivery.
BMW's legendary ShiftCam system assembled, optimizing valve timing for low-end torque and high-rev power.
Advanced cylinder head brings variable valve timing and extreme breathing efficiency to the BMW S1000RR.
Millimeter-perfect timing ensures the inline-4 fires with surgical precision across its entire rev range. Advanced lubrication and liquid cooling systems integrated, managing extreme thermal loads during track use.
Quick shift-enabled transmission built for lightning-fast, seamless shifts under full power.
High-capacity clutch delivers massive torque capacity with light lever feel. Electrical generation and starting systems complete the self-contained power unit. Each engine stands ready for individual validation before meeting its destined chassis. Cold validation confirms mechanical integrity before full power testing.
Full power verification unleashes over 200 horsepower, confirming every engine exceeds expectations.
Only engines meeting the strictest criteria earn the right to power a BMW S1000RR.
A squadron of proven power plants stands ready to transform frames into living superbikes.
The moment of truth approaches. The fusion of chassis and engine that defines every BMW S1000RR.
With perfect alignment, the most advanced inline-4 engine unites with its iconic frame.
Aerodynamic front fairing, crafted from lightweight composites, channels air for cooling and downforce on the BMW S1000RR. Sculpted side fairings optimized for airflow management and rider protection on the BMW S1000RR.
Integrated lower fairings complete the full aerodynamic enclosure for high-speed stability.
Signature asymmetrical LED headlights pierce the darkness, giving the BMW S1000RR its unmistakable aggressive face.
Low-profile windshield reduces drag while protecting the rider at triple-digit speeds.
Functional mirrors complete road-legal requirements without compromising racing aesthetics. Sharp tail unit maintains razor-edge lines from every angle on the BMW S1000RR.
Iconic tank shape contributes to central mass concentration for agile handling.
Race-derived winglets force the front wheel down for ultimate stability. Official graphics and warning labels complete the factory-fresh appearance of every BMW S1000RR.
Millimeter-perfect panel alignment ensures both beauty and aerodynamic efficiency.
The transformation is stunning, from naked chassis to fully dressed track weapon.
Every fastener rechecked to guarantee bodywork integrity at any speed.
Factory protection stripped away, unveiling the pristine glory of the completed bodywork.
Full visual harmony confirmed. The BMW S1000RR now wears its skin with flawless aggression.
With aerodynamic perfection achieved, the BMW S1000RR prepares for its digital soul. Now the brain comes alive. Advanced electronics integrate to make the BMW S1000RR one of the most intelligent superbikes ever built.
Miles of perfectly shielded wiring weave through the frame, linking every sensor to the advanced Bosch electronics package.
6-axis IMU and racing-derived ECU form the central nervous system, enabling cornering ABS, traction control, and wheelie management.
6.5-inch color TFT becomes the rider's command center, displaying everything from lean angle to gear position in crystal clarity.
Ultra-precise sensors feed real-time data for seamless quick shifting and advanced rider aids. Intuitive controls allow instant switching between rain, road, dynamic, and Race Pro modes.
Cornering ABS Pro module integrates with IMU for life-saving intervention even at extreme lean angles.
Full LED array not only looks aggressive, but provides superior visibility and reliability.
Seamless connectivity turns the TFT into a data-rich extension of the rider's phone.
Comprehensive system check verifies perfect communication between every electronic component.
High-performance battery delivers reliable starting power with minimal weight penalty.
Digital souls awakened. Each superbike now thinks, reacts, and protects its rider with cutting-edge intelligence.
Electronic throttle delivers instantaneous response tuned for each ride mode.
Track-focused electronics package optimized for standing starts and deceleration control.
Perfect harmony achieved. The BMW S1000RR now possesses intelligence rivaling pure race machines.
With electronics perfected, only final precision stands between chassis and perfection. Perfection demands precision. Final alignment and finishing elevate the BMW S1000RR from great to extraordinary. Millimeter-perfect front-end geometry ensures razor-sharp steering response and stability at any speed.
Precise chain and wheel alignment guarantees flawless power transfer and cornering confidence.
Custom sag settings optimize weight distribution for the perfect balance of agility and stability.
Every bolt revisited with exact torque, ensuring nothing loosens under the most extreme track punishment.
Absolute brake integrity achieved. No air, perfect modulation from gentle trail braking to full race stop.
Vital fluids filled precisely, ready to manage extreme temperatures during prolonged track sessions.
Exhaust positioned for optimal flow, sound, and visual symmetry. Factory fresh finish restored, every surface gleaming as if just unveiled.
Temporary shields guard the flawless finish until delivery to the fortunate owner.
Controls positioned for intuitive access, whether on road or full race tuck.
Optimal pressures ensure immediate grip and predictable handling from the very first ride. Alignment complete, each Superbike now performs and looks exactly as BMW engineers intended.
Comprehensive final review catches even the smallest detail before validation.
Final safeguards in place before the BMW S1000RR proves itself under power.
With every detail perfected, only rigorous testing remains before these masterpieces leave Berlin.
Systems alive and flawless, the BMW S1000RR stands ready for its ultimate validation.
Complete weather sealing proven, electronics and components protected in any condition.
Refined NVH levels ensure exhilarating yet comfortable experience at speed.
Real-world feel confirmed. Handling lives up to the legendary BMW S1000RR reputation.
Only the perfect pass. Each Superbike's now certified, worthy of the BMW Motorrad name. Ultimate human oversight ensures no detail escapes before release.
Complete history travels with each BMW S1000RR. Proof of its validated excellence.
Testing conquered. These ultimate Superbikes now prepare for their journey to riders worldwide. The mark of perfection earned. The BMW S1000RR ready for its final factory touches. Delicate bodywork shielded from any transit risk, maintaining pristine beauty until unveiling.
Suspension and wheels immobilized to prevent any movement during global shipping. Crate sealed with precision, ready for secure international transport. Safe elevation begins the journey from factory floor to warehouse storage. Finished masterpieces await their destined owners in perfect preservation. A fleet of dreams stands ready, each crate holding pure German performance. The journey to passionate owners begins. Secure dispatch from Berlin to the world. Professional loading ensures zero movement across oceans and continents. Sealed and secure, another batch of ultimate Superbikes begins their global journey.
From raw materials to masterpiece, this is the complete journey of pure performance. If this epic journey of German engineering thrilled you, like this video and comment which Superbike we should build next.
Subscribe and hit the bell. Join us for more real factory breakdowns of the world's greatest machines.